let's take a look at using this cleaning gel for your car to clean off a dusty, dirty interior of your car. So you can see, you're probably like me, you probably get dust and things all over the inside of your car, and it can be really hard to clean that off, get into all the little crevices and nooks and crannies. So the idea with this gel is you can actually just smush it down into all those little surfaces and clean all that stuff off. And it actually picks up the dust and dirt. And because it's the gel, you can get into these little areas that are hard to get a cloth into. You can smush it down into these little like parts of the steering wheel here. You can use it for the car vents, get into your cup holders. You can see like these little hard to reach areas around the knobs on the panel here I can get into with it. And it has a nice, like, you know, pretty solid consistency. It's got almost like a pleasant type of citrusy type smell. And when we're done, you can see these surfaces are getting a lot cleaner. And I can just do one final smush of the gel into this, and you can see this is like pretty good. There's maybe some little bits that need to still be picked up, and when we look at the gel, you can see all the stuff that it's pulling up off of that surface. I don't find it leaves any kind of residue or anything, and you know, overall I think this is looking a lot better than it did before applying that gel for cleaning.